What's good, YouTube? This your boy Chi World back at y'all again with another art video, and today I will be showing you guys step by step how you can make a cartoon head. Who I'm using for this tutorial is a very successful YouTuber, go by the name of Perfectlaughs. Make sure y'all go check her channel out. It's lit. She got great content. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe, post notifications so you will be notified every time I drop some heat. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. First thing you want to do, select your picture, drop the opacity down. It's good enough where it won't blend in with your line work. Add a layer on top. And right here is where I set my pen pressure sensitivity. But you have to have a digital art pad or art tablet to be able to get this pressure option right here. So you don't have no little digital tablet, you can't get that pressure brush. So if you don't got a tablet, your best option is to use the pen tool, which is more time consuming, but you can still get some great quality work. You know, with the pen tool, you just gotta sit here and just keep bending the lines. Thing about it, what you can do is to get that look, you click, you see, you get them lines where it look like got the little short points. But that's if you don't have a tablet, a digital art tablet. So I'm gonna make a tutorial on that too, how to use the pen tool, me making artwork with just the pen tool. So for all the people who don't have one, they can still get some dope results. You feel me? Look, first thing I do when I'm starting on a cartoon, I go over the eyes first. And the key to making these type pictures is the line work. The better your line work is, the better the picture will turn out to be. So make sure you're taking your time when you're making it. Now we finished with the line work. It's time to go in, you know what I'm saying, add the detail. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna highlight the line work, go to object, expand appearance, go to the pathfinder and click merge, so we can make all our lines one. After we do that, we're going to go to our layer tab and drag our layer to this blank sheet of paper. To make a copy, we're going to lock the top layer, select the second, and we're going to find a good skin tone to use. See, that's pretty good. Rectangle tool and drag the color over the line work. do that, we're gonna click our selection tool, select our color, then we're gonna send the color to the back, and then you'll look over at your layers tab and you'll see your line work on top of your colors. That's how you know you did that step right. And with our selection tool, we're gonna select everything together again, and we're gonna make the color and the line work one, so we're gonna merge it together. Now we can right click this and right click the color and click isolate selected group, and what that gonna do is it's gonna make it where we can click color separate so we can do whatever. So I don't want this. That's why when you drawing, make sure that you close everything off, because it's kind of like the paint bucket tool. So you gotta make sure everything is closed off. So I don't want this added color, so I'm just selecting and click delete. I want our hair to be black. This to be red. And if you want to color multiple things at once, all you gotta do is hold shift while you select, and then just select multiple things at once. Just to be red. Okay, now that we got the base color down, now it's time to do our shading and our shadows. So we're gonna go from darkest to lightest. So we're gonna start out by locking that layer, adding a new layer between. Drop the tool so we can see how we need to blend. Let's see. It's best most of the time when you're shading to put the shadow where you feel it go. Like don't, because most of the time the picture don't have a good shadow to it that you can follow, so you just gotta freestyle it. So just go with the flow, like whatever you think will look better. Now we're gonna make another layer, and we're gonna go a little lighter with the shadows. What I'm finna do is I'm finna make that all one line. So I'm gonna go to Object, Expand Appearance, Pathfinder, and Merge. Then we're gonna tweak the color a little bit by coming up to Edit Color, Adjust Color Balance. We're gonna try to see. A little more. Go back one more time. I'm gonna go to Edit. Gotta tweak this color some more. Now we about to add one more layer for the highlights on the skin. We're gonna get like a brightish color. Now it's time to add one layer on top of the line work. little fake to the eyes. And we're finna get a little braid effect. Now we gotta do one more thing. So I'm gonna add another layer, put it under my line work. We're gonna put a shadow under the headband. There you have it. That's how you make a cartoon head, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. More heat coming soon, and I'm out this thing.